Hey, what's good, everybody? So, I wanted to do a video, just a quick video about how I edit my, my drums within, the grid here. So in the piano roll, I should say, and so, first of all, one of the things I do, like when I create my drums, I typically leave the timing correction off. So I just turn that joker off. So that way I can kind of get a more natural feel to, to my drums. Or sometimes, if I do leave it on, either way, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it back off, so I can go back in and edit without all the timing corrections. Or should I say the quantizing. So let's say we're gonna go into the drums here on the MP, and let's see, this track right here has it. Let's go ahead and zoom in on it. So when you look at these drums as they're out on the grid, so let me just go ahead and play it, and so you can hear how it rides. Let me mute it. Solo it out. So I like my drums to have kind of a more human feel. Okay. And so when I go in to start editing these joints, I'll go ahead and start with my cue links on here. So if you touch these cue links, you'll see how it has loop start and loop end, right? So I'll start with the first bar, and I'll just loop that section. Do 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 do. And then if you notice see how I have these, they're not like right on the money, they're just slightly off, and I'll go around and I'll nudge, say for instance, like these two hits right here. I'm gonna go ahead and, with that quantizing off and that timing correction is off and everything, you can just make little minute changes until it just feels right. Do 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 do. Even this snare, what I'm saying, or should I say that clap? That clap has, it's just a slight delay on there. Ever so slight. You know what I'm saying? That's how you can kind of like just create your own ride. And then what I'll do is I'll go ahead, once I have that section done, I'll go in here and I'll set my loop points to go to the next bar. So now I'm in bar 2, right? So let's go ahead and zoom in on that so you can see. All right, see now that was bar 1. This is bar 2, 3, and 4. So I'll go in here. I've already went on ahead and adjust these a little bit. So like I'll just go ahead and highlight maybe a couple of them. Slide them around a little bit. Until it feels right. There's some things you definitely kind of want to have on the right on the money. But you just have to adjust it to feel. What I'm saying? It's all about how you feel. And does it sound right to you? So that's how you get that ride to it. Once again, go over to the cue links when you're done. Set your next loop points. Move it on over. Do the same thing. And then just like I said, you just do that. You just do that for the whole entire joint, until it just feels right, and that's kind of how you can kind of make your drums not sound so robotic. And like I said, the other thing too, these cue links, these joints are your best friends, so you can toggle through 4 banks for each of the cue links. So like in this first one here on mine, that's where I'm able to set my, my loop points, right? Okay. The other thing, if you hit it again, like right here, this is my playhead, so that's how I'm able to move my playhead around just like that. All right. So I hope this was this is useful to you guys. Give me a thumbs up, like it. Definitely subscribe. I'm definitely going to be looking for more opportunities to shoot out more information. All right.